Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Let us continue this 22nd shloka of second chapter. Vasamsi jirnani yatha vihaya navani grihnati naroparaణి वासांसि जीर्णानि यथा विहाय नवानि गृह्णाति नरोपराणि तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णान् अन्यानि संयाति नवानि देहि तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णान्यन्यानि संयाति नवानि देहि तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णान्यन्यानि संयाति. Now all together, twice. Vasansi jirnani yatha vihaya navani grihnati naroparani tatha sharirani vihaya jirnan anyani sanyati navani dehi. Vasansi jirnani yatha vihaya नवानि गृह्णाति नरोपराणि तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णानि अन्यानि संयाति नवानि देहि. Now let us contemplate this shloka. जयति पराशर सूनुः सत्यवती हृदय नंदनो व्यासः यस्य आस्य कमलगलितं वाङ्मयममृतं जगत्पिबति. व्यासाय भवनाशाय श्रीशाय गुणराशये हृद्याय शुद्धविद्याय मध्वाय च नमो नमः. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं शेषं रामानुजं यतिं वायुं च मध्वमाचार्यं आचार्यत्रयमाश्रये. Respected Guruji, all the dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and faculties. So we are knowing the nature of the soul and super soul. Atma, Paramatma. So here from shloka number 17, Avinashita tadvidyena sarvamidam tatam, from there it has been reiterated and stressed, emphasized by Krishna what is the nature of the soul and super soul. Both are indestructible. So how? This is the beautiful example here which in this shloka we are going to understand the example what Krishna gives here, and suddenly the rhythm is also changed. From the previous shloka, Veda Vinashanam Nityam, that rhythm was different. Now this rhythm is different. This is Trishtup Chandas. So again this is Trishtup Chandas which is going to take us into a different emotion also, because we are attached to this body always. We are always body conscious. So Krishna is giving here example. He is giving the example of the cloth, what we use every day to cover this body. Is it not? Vasamsi means cloth. Jirnani, yatha vihaya, navani grihnati. Naroparani. Yatha tatha sharirani vihaya jirnani. Anyani sanyati navani dehi. So he is giving here the example of cloth. How we are going to change cloth when it gets dirt, or when it is going to become old, or if it is going to become torn. Then we are not going to reuse it again. So we are going to change it. While changing this cloth, do we cry? No. We don't cry. We go to mall and buy new. Shopping means we are all very much interested. When we shop for the new body, then why we should cry? So this is what? This is the way how Krishna is convincing Arjuna that Vasamsi Jirnani. Jirna means torn or getting old. Yatha vihaya, as we are going to throw it away or we are going to discard it. Navani grihnati, we are going to take the newer one. We are going to take the new cloth. All when we have experienced this in our childhood, is it not? When our parents are going to inform us, oh, we are going for a shopping for new cloth for all festivals. Every festival, we were definitely gifted by new clothes by our parents, is it not? So that means it is a parvakala. So what is the parvakala for this body? When this body becomes jirna. When this body becomes jirna, when our indriyas are not performing to its full capacity, eyes are not performing, ears are not able to be heard, and nose, tongue, everything, then it is better to leave this. Is it not? We cannot hang on to this body only in our sadhana. So it is a mercy of the Lord. The jiva cannot leave its, or jiva cannot change this deha by its swatantra. We don't have that swatantra. Only when the Lord desires, then only we can change the body. So this is how. But there is an exception for this. There is an exception for these yogis, or an exception. How? I don't know how many of you have heard this book, Living with the Himalayan Masters. Living with the Himalayan Masters, written by Swami Rama. Please read that book. There, he is going to narrate all the experiences, what his guru and for himself, how he experienced. So, yogi is an exception. Yogi can change whenever he wants, whatever he wants. Yes, that exception is there for only yogis. But Krishna here says, common souls like we cannot. No, the jiva does not have the swatantra. So, vasamsi jirnani yatha vihaya, like our mother is going to take care of the child, how the mother, as per her wish, she is going to make the child to wear the cloth. In the same way, Bhagavan also desires for the soul a newer body, as per the sadhana in the previous life. What did you do in your previous sharira? Did you really utilize it for in a right way, in a right direction? Then Krishna will definitely give us again the newer body. So this is how Navani Grihnati Naroparani among the human beings. Is it not? We are going to change the cloth. Tatha, like that. Yatha, tatha. Again in the next sloka, next pada. Tatha sharirani. Even for this human body also, like you change the clothes when it is old or torn off, in the same way, tatha sharirani vihaya. The body is going to get rejected. Our body is going to be sacrificed. Jirnani, when the body becomes old. That's what. Anyani sanyati. So we are going to look for the newer body. Navani dehi, newer body. So this is how Krishna is convincing Arjuna, through Arjuna, all of us. So don't cry whenever you need to leave this body naturally. Yes, this is very, very important to bring to in our practical life spirituality, that don't go too much behind this body. Because this body, Manava Janma Doddadu, Ida Hani Madabedi Huchapagalira. Purandaradasa said this, how human body is very, very precious. Even Kanakadasa says, Yesu ಕಾಯಂಗಳ ಕಳೆದು 84 ಲಕ್ಷ ರಾಶಿಯನ್ನು ದಾಟಿ ಬಂದ ಈ ಶರೀರ ತಾನಲ್ಲ ತನದಲ್ಲ. What a beautiful Dasara Pada. All these are going to make us aware that don't be too much of body conscious. This is what. And further, Krishna is going to tell how this concept of Jiva and Paramatma both are indestructible, Avyaya, Nitya, everything. That is being explained through the next sloka, very beautiful sloka and famous sloka. We are all know it. That we are going to contemplate tomorrow in the coming days. Thank you. Hari Om.